Okay friends, I am ready to start my January 2022 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, and today is day number 1. So my first layout that I'm going to create is using this sketch from Page Maps, and it is from January 22. It's the 8.5 by 11 up in the corner. Of course, I'm going to do a 12 by 12. And I'll show you a close-up of this in just a minute. So these are the things that I've pulled out. I went to my stash and I found this Bow Bunny blue sheet of paper because I felt like with the red and blue in my mom's shirt, I needed a little bit darker color blue than this basic teal color here. That's cute too. I may use that side. I don't know. Anywho, so I pulled in some border strips to use. I pulled in a couple of those cut apart pieces. I pulled in several washi tapes because I don't know exactly what I'm going to use down the side. It's got all these banner looking pieces here, and I don't know if I'm going to use washi strips or border strips. I don't know, maybe some labels. I have plenty of those. I have chipboard pieces that I have pulled in. I have pulled in some acetate pieces, some more chipboard pieces, Felicity Jane pieces. I have pulled in flatback pearls. I have pulled in enamel heart stickers. I have pulled in puffy stickers, and I have pulled in some cork arrows. So I'm going to take all of this and figure out what I'm going to do with it, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am back. I have finished with my first layout, and let me show you what I have used up. These are the things that I did not use. I had cut out 3 little pieces from a cut apart, and this is the little tag. I didn't use that. I had pulled 3 chipboard pieces, and 2 of them I did not use. I had pulled these enamel hearts. I did not use those, and I did not use these labels. Otherwise, everything else got used. Oh, with the exception of these. I did not use any of the border strips. So I emptied out 3 carrier sheets. I had several little flatback pearls and then a couple little flourishes here. Finished those off. That's always a good feeling. Paper wise, I had pulled in the, I think it's 8 by 8 or 9 by 9 pieces of paper that I had in my stash kit this time. I had put some back that I wasn't going to use. It had this color blue on them. And so I ended up using, instead of using this teal side, I used more of this blue side, and then I pulled in some additional embellishments. There you can see I cut down the red, I pulled in a scrap of white, and then those are the 2 border pieces that branding strips that I cut off my pattern paper. I did use 3 of these arrows. I did use 1 of these. I did use 1 from here as far as the chipboard stickers go. And that's always a good feeling. Even if you just use 1, it's still getting closer to using up what you have. I did use an arrow label sticker here. There's the remainder of those flatback pearls. And I had a darker blue heart puffy sticker that I used. I used the blue piece from here. I used a portion of this red sticker, and then I used both the star stickers from here as well as a portion of this. And then you will have seen the close-up of the sketch that I used, and here is the layout that I created. And if you look closely, I don't want to get too bogged down. Let me just put it like this. So if you look at this, it has the same feel. It's not exactly the same. This one called for 2 small photos. I used 1 large photo. This had more of a horizontal feel. I put more of a vertical feel on mine. I still had the banner strips over here. I had a title card, but instead of having it down here, I put it up here. And then I put some journaling pieces down here. I put my flourishes and those acetate hearts. I used a tab to go along the top here, and a couple of those cardstock pieces down here, and then my chipboard pieces here, here, and here are the words. The other one here, flatback pearls here, and then the puffy sticker, and then there's a couple of those cutouts that I put just right there. And that's a washi strip, and that's a washi strip, and 3 of these are washi strips along the side. Anyway, I will have close-ups at the end of this. So if you're interested in seeing a closer up of this than I'm showing you here, please stick around. Make sure you check that out. If you like seeing layouts made from Stash products, head over to my channel and check it out. I have tons and tons and tons of layouts made from Stash. So yeah, I love how that turned out. I cut out the border around here. I put the white piece that I had added in, as well as blue from the background page around the photo to make it stand out. And I'm calling this one done. Anyway guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.